Okay, we're going to look at random number generation. In this case, we are going to simulate rolling 6-side die. So let's say input. We have a function called random. We're going to roll these dice maybe 10 times. Let's say roll in range 10 times. Then we like to print, so print. Here I'm going to use a random function. We have one method, length range between 1 to 7. Hope you remember we are not including 7. So exclude 7, start from number 1. It can be 2 all the way to 6, excluding number 7. At the end, I like to add one space. That's it. So here you go, number. There's one additional space because of n. So you can run it multiple times. We have a random number between number 1 to 6, exclude 7. Let's again select it again. Of course, if you do 20 times, it will appear 20 numbers. Okay, this is how you use a random function. That's all. Thank you.